I am Andrew. I am an artist based in Paris. I use the name Dedouze on social media. I create artworks using traditional drawings in 3D mostly. I use the software Blender and I use it to mix 2D and 3D animations in the same artworks. While I draw, I need to see in different angles the artwork to check if I am not drawing on the wrong side or the wrong layers. So I need to rotate a lot on screens. I discovered this 3D screen that allows me to see in 3D without glasses. When I draw in simulated reality, I can see the depth of the point where I'm drawing, so I can see directly if I'm not drawing on the wrong layer. And also, it helps me see my own artwork in a different dimension. It helps me immerse myself in the artworks that I create myself.